and talking back. My daddy was a green-eyed lumberjack because I'm evil. I don't take no orders from no kind of man. Just moved out here. Well, trying. My car's in the shop for the weekend. City of dreams, huh? What's up? Yeah, I got some. How much you want? Just put it right there. Put it right there. Put it right fucking there. Come on. What the fuck you trying to do to me, man? What the fuck are you trying to do to me? Cheers, bro. Hey, you look good, man.
I do?
Thank you. Great night.
It's an awesome night.
Awesome night, man.
Yeah.
Seriously, like.
How you feeling?
Well-
How many did you smoke? Come on.
Carissa?
Yeah. Don't pretend you don't know her.
Aw, man.
Is she here?
She's here. You know, nothing in particular happened. I just don't think she understands me, man. Every wave is like my best wave. You know what I mean? No, I'm serious. Like, every single time I go out, I catch the best wave yet. Do you ever just like get in fights for the makeup sex? Something about me just likes to provoke women so that I can pursue them again, and then we can, you know, go straight to the makeup sex. So don't mess around with me.